guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're doing an OG philosophy video. We're going through my newest Amazon jewelry finds and my entire Amazon jewelry collection. I've done so many of these videos throughout the years. I absolutely love and swear by Amazon jewelry. It's inexpensive. Usually you can find really similar items to higher end designer brands for like $11. You can find really good quality pieces. I have a whole tab on my Amazon shop. I'll leave my previous videos below, and everything I mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description box below as well. Let me know if there's any jewelry piece you want me to try or anything you want me to find. Follow me over on my new Instagram, and you can also follow me over on TikTok for more me and more Amazon and more things. And I think that's everything I have to say. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, let's kick it off with necklaces. Some of these I've had for years and they're still looking brand new. I've worn them a ton. And some I bought recently or I bought specifically so I could review them for this video. These are things that have been on my save for later for years. This is a new one. This is kind of like an evil eye sun coin necklace. I love that the chain is nice and dainty and that it's pretty long. I love wearing these coin ones layered. I think they look so good. It almost reminds me of this one. Such a good size, not too big, not too small, perfect for layering. I almost didn't mention this one because I thought it was no longer sold. A lot of my favorites are not available anymore because I've been buying Amazon jewelry since 2018. It was now available. I wear this all the time. It's probably one of the daintier, more delicate pieces, and y'all, the fact that this still looks like this, I'll put on the screen how long I've had it for. You probably recognize it on my channel if you watch my videos, and look at it. It's still so pretty. I love it. Then we have this little rosary. There's so many options on Amazon for rosaries, but I hate that some have the clasp right here. I am Catholic, so I wear them because I'm Catholic and because I love how they look. This one was a pretty big disappointment for me because it's a little too big. I like dainty necklaces, but this is just too much going on. I think I'm gonna return it or give it to someone because it's just not for me. It's too big, too bulky. This moon necklace was a bestseller for so long because I could not stop wearing it. To this day, I wear it all the time. It's one of my favorite layering necklaces to wear. I love the hammer look. I love the moons. I love the coin. Still looks just as shiny as some of the newer ones that I have. It's just crazy. This planet one was also a bestseller way back when. Unfortunately, my unorganized self had it in a drawer and it got all tangled up, and I still need to go through and untangling it. But y'all, this is such a cute and fun necklace. I feel like it's pretty unique. It has lasted me so many wears. I wear it to the pool, I take it on vacation, and it's still just as shiny and just as pretty. They do have different like constellation themes in that same listing, so I would check it out if you're into it. I feel like if you watch my previous jewelry videos, I had a lot of letter monogram necklaces. It was like my thing, but now it's just like not my favorite to carry mine, so these are the only three that I have left. This one, because once again, I love layering it. I feel like the chain is such a good length. This one I got recently and I love it. It's just so dainty and cute, and I think this would look good like as an everyday piece, but I do wish I would have gotten a D or an O or something like that. And then this one I love because it's more of like a statement choker. The initial, the clasp that I like, it also has like half pearls and half chains, and then it also has a clasp, like a lobster clasp to adjust it. I think this is such a unique necklace. I wore it so much, I still do. In case you couldn't tell, the theme here is that I love coin necklaces and evil eyes, or both if I can find them. This one is probably one of the nicer Amazon necklaces that I've found. Just looks very high-end. I wear it so much. And then here's another coin like hammer look. I really like how dainty this chain is. This one is newer to my collection. When I decluttered my jewelry, I decluttered a lot of my bigger coin necklaces, especially the layered ones, but I miss them. I find myself like gravitating towards wanting those bigger, more statement coins. The chain is nice and simple and delicate, and it just looks so cool. Out of all of them, this is the most expensive at $30 something, and I think it shows. The weight is so nice. It just looks nice. I really like also more simple gold necklaces. I really like this locket or lock. I also have this mama one. one, I have a mama necklace from Ana Luisa that I love, but this one I got when I was pregnant and it's just like very sweet to me. I keep it. I don't wear it a ton. This one I also don't wear a ton anymore. It's just like not really, like if I were to wear something like this, I usually gravitate towards this one more than this one, so I'll probably declutter it. This one is a nice like cool girl TikTok staple that you can find in so many thicknesses on Amazon. I have this one. I'll leave the exact one down below, but I just love how this looks. Once again, layered. This is more of like a choker length. Then I have this one that is clearly an alternative for a designer, and this one actually comes in a set. It comes with earrings and a bracelet and the necklace, and it's so pretty and cute. I didn't even think I was gonna like it all that much, and I love it. And this is the other alternative necklace that I bought. However, this one is a return for me. It's like a very long necklace that you can layer, but I think it's not as dainty, even though the quality of this one is definitely a little better than this one. You can see a difference in the gold tone, but it's just like not for me. I don't really wear necklaces like this big and bulky. If there is one thing that I get my money's worth out of from Amazon jewelry, is my earrings. I wear earrings every single day. Let's start off over here with some that actually have made the bestsellers list, which is these. These are some newer to my collection bow earrings that I've had for a few months, and I love them. They're dainty, they're the perfect size. These are newer, and as you can see, definitely a statement. They're like a little bit bigger than my finger, and they're so fun. I love wearing these when I have my hair back. I think they just add a little something to a very simple outfit. So do these. These I've had for years. They give such a cool look, almost like a 3D effect. These are the ones, the studs that come with that necklace set that I showed y'all. These are a return for me. I am not a fan of hoops. As you can see, you can look through basically most of my collection, and I don't really have hoops, and if I do, they're like this size. So these are a little too big for me, and then because they have the pearl detailing, I just feel like they're too much. These though, I am obsessed with. They are so fun. Once again, so unique, perfect for a statement or every day. I have worn them all throughout this week, and they're so pretty. I love them so much. This one I honestly don't wear a ton because they're definitely a statement earring. I do think it was like a little pricey for what it is, and it's a little uncomfortable to wear. Is it fun to have though? Yes, I would wear it to like Coachella or something. I love finding these sets for more unique earrings that I'm not gonna wear every day. This one was so inexpensive, and it comes with all these ear crawlers that are so fun. I love these. I actually would wear these every day. I've worn a ton of these this week. And then this is another set, but instead of ear crawlers, these are cuffs, so you don't need a piercing to add them to your ear, which is so convenient if you're a baby like me. And I love the look of these, especially these hammered ones. I think they look so fun, and I love the ear cuff. I'm gonna have my best friend send me a picture of her ears so you can see how she styles these. They always look amazing, and you get all of these for like 11 bucks. Probably my most worn earrings are these double layered pearl ones. I wear them all the time, like at least once a week. I love the look of these. Recently I decided to get kind of like a level up, and I got these. These are also double layered, but they have a pearl that's a little bigger, and they have like a longer gold chain. These are so fun for like going out, date night, dressing up. These are my go-to for the holidays, for Valentine's Day, for like a fun wedding, dressing up. They are the prettiest bow earrings. I love how dangly they are. They're not too heavy. They just look so fun. I love these. These are some that I've had for years, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they look like on my ear so you guys can see, because if not, I would have to go through each one and that would take forever. I have these that I thought I would really like, especially now that I have 3 piercings on one of my ears. However, I don't really love them. They don't layer too well unless you have like multiple piercings, like more than 3, and none in your lobe, because they would have to be like upward. I don't know, that was hard to explain, but the point is, not my favorite. I think I'm gonna return. I got this huge pack of studs and hoops, and it comes with so many of them. And one of my favorite parts is that it comes with multiple of the backings, which I think it's essential. I lose them all the time, and some of them are more comfortable than others. It has this like double layer hook. So many fun essentials that you can mix and match. I think these are very cute. I will let you guys know how the quality is the more I wear them. As for rings, I don't really wear a ton of Amazon rings anymore. I think I decluttered a lot of them just because they were kind of bulky and not my style anymore. I rarely wear any like thick rings, but these are some that I've had through the years that I still love. The ones in my middle finger are probably my favorites. The top is definitely, actually they're both pretty similar to Cartier. I really like them. And the bottom one is adjustable. This one is really cool too. It reminds me of Cartier, but as you can see, it's pretty thick. And then these two are also adjustable, but I don't really wear the F a ton. And then the I, as you can see, is missing some crystals, but they're still cute. It's just I prefer Ana Luisa rings, if I'm being honest. I don't wear a ton of bracelets every day. Like at least like not statement bracelets. I like daintier things. But I do have a few fun ones. I wanted to show you guys the bracelets on. I have a lot of these more designer look for less items, if you catch my drift. We have this one that has the H, but it's just not something I gravitate towards wearing a lot, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one, but I still wanted to show it to y'all. So the pearl one is by far my favorite bracelet. I got it through a collab, but it is from Amazon. It's like fine jewelry and it's pretty expensive, but it's just so dainty and pretty, and I love it. I also really like that hammer nail one. I think it's kind of out of my comfort zone, but it's adjustable, which I appreciate because I have a pretty tiny wrist. And it comes as a set with a ring that I also really like. I'm wearing it actually in my middle finger. And the tennis bracelet I actually love. It came with a silver one and a rose gold and then this yellow gold, but it's way too big on me. Like I said, I have a tiny wrist and it's not really adjustable, so I don't wear it a ton anymore. And this one, sadly, it's time to get rid of. As you can see, it has tarnished quite a bit. It like has a ton of discoloration. Even the evil eye has turned red, probably because of my spray tan. So this one is a declutter piece, and this one I try to wear like for fun occasions, but I have to wash my hands a ton because of Olivia, and unfortunately the tassels do get wet. So it's not a bracelet problem, it's a me problem, but I still love it and I wear it a ton. Then on this wrist I have the David German inspired cuff. I love this. I've had it since 2018 and just look at it, it's stunning. And then recently I got the Love bracelet to match it, obviously from Amazon, and it's like 20 bucks, y'all. It's so nice. I am loving it. So I highly recommend that one if you're into that look. But I really love that David German bangle, and I love the fact that it has two tones because I wear this bangle that my grandma gave me on this wrist, and it matches it perfectly, but it also matches my gold ring. Quickly, I wanted to show you guys what I use to store all my jewelry, starting off with this traditional jewelry box. I love the leather look with the glass top. It has all these inserts that are really nice, and then two drawers. It comes in different colors, and it's just such a nice box. I got it last Christmas and I love it. Highly recommend for Mother's Day too. Then we have this catch-all tray that I customized with my Cricut. Also comes in a ton of colors, and it's just so cute for like a bathroom or on top of a vanity or a dresser just to set your jewelry down. I really love how it looks. I also wanted to mention this one for travel. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's full. I love that this one has a mirror, spots for your necklaces, your earrings, and your rings and such. So nice. I might customize this one too, but it does come with different letters and monograms, and also in different colors and textures. Then we have one of my all-time favorite things, which is this jewelry cabinet. It's actually a mirror, and it has so many cool detailings. Like it has like magnets so you can put your earrings. It has all these nice hooks. It comes in different finishes. I wish I would have gotten it in white, but anyway, spots for your bracelets. I used to even put scrunchies here. I love the fact that the rings are covered and in the velvet thing, and then this is lighting. I just need to replace the batteries. You can either mount it or you can put it over a door, or there's ones that come with a stand, which look really nice too. This is how I store my jewelry. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed my Amazon jewelry finds or these like dedicated category videos, I have so many more. I've done home, I've done baby stuff, I've done clothing, beauty, so many things. So you can check out my best of Amazon playlist below. Let me know what you want to see next. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.